guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm having an okay day. It's not too bad here in upstate New York. A little chilly, snowing, but hey, it is November. So I am here with a MintMongoose unbagging, and I just love this little bit of heavenly jewelry. The curator of this box is amazing. The box is amazing. Everything about it's amazing. So there are two options when you get MintMongoose. The first option is 3 pieces of jewelry, and it is $12 a month. And the second option, which is the option that I receive, is MintMongoose Black, and you get 5 pieces of jewelry. Yeah, 5 pieces. I believe it's 5 pieces of jewelry and 2 accessories. We'll count once we get into this bag. And it is $22 a month. But if you get people to sign up underneath your link, which I will leave below in the description bar, then you can get a certain amount off of your bag each month. I believe that's how it works. I think if you get 3 people to sign up, you get a discount or something. I'll have to check on that, but either way, it is what it is. So let's get into this bag. Usually I open them before you guys get here, but I forgot, so excuse the loudness. And here is my little box, and then we have a couple of things in here. Oh, beautiful. Okay, now let's make sure that we got everything. Yes, we did. All right, so this is the box. It's a little crunkled, but this, are you upside down? Yes, you are. There is the little mongoose, and the packaging is always superb, always. I always hate to break the seal. I really hate it, but I can't look at my jewelry if I don't break it. So let's break it, if we can. Come on. There we go. Got it, got it, got it. Stay there. And then you pop it open, and that's what it looks like on the inside. It always comes so nicely wrapped in there. Almost lost everything. All right, and then we don't need this anymore. Come on now. Thank you very much. And then you get this card. It says, yay, it's here. And thank you from MintMongoose. And if you share your photo or videos of your new favorite MintMongoose jewelry pieces with hashtag MintMongoose to be entered to win 1 free month. That is very nice. I have yet to win a free month, but it's all good. It's all good. I don't mind. I pay for it because I love it so much that I would pay for it. It wouldn't bother me a doggone bit. All right, now let's see what we have here. Here is our little green package, and it always comes nice and neatly wrapped so you don't lose anything. There's nothing lost in the shuffle. There we go. We have it open, and 1, 2, 3 pieces of jewelry and 2 accessories. Why did I only get 3 pieces of jewelry? Let me look that up because I'm kind of curious. Oh wait, hold on, hold up, wait a minute. No, it was 4 pieces of jewelry. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Maybe? I'm not sure. Okay, got it figured out. Had to get my iPad out. So the regular MintMongoose is 3 pieces of jewelry and is $12 plus shipping and handling. And then the MintMongoose Black is 4 pieces of jewelry plus 2 accessories, one of which you get to pick for $22.99 a month, and it is free shipping on the MintMongoose Black. Black box accessories include things like nail polish, which I've received, scarves, small handbags, socks, and more. Subscribers receive 25 to 50% off jewelry and accessories on the MintMongoose website, which I have checked out, and it is an amazing site. Amazing. You get to choose between silver, gold, earrings, no earrings, watches, no watches, all that. Beautiful, beautiful jewelry. Okay, so now back to the unbagging. So when I opened the tissue paper first, I found this little ring. And there we are. Barely fits my pinky. This may be going to a grandchild or two because it's not gonna fit on my finger. So I'm gonna put it back in this tissue paper so I don't lose it. Because I have lost a ring or two from MintMongoose because they're so small that I just misplaced them. Okay, so let's see what we have going on here. So here's our first little package. We're gonna open that up. Come on now. Trying to keep it all in my lap so I don't lose it. So anyway, I have something sad to tell you. One of my wedding rings, my diamond, we were riding in the car and something kept poking me in my finger, and I was like, what the heck is that? Come to find out, the band on my wedding ring that I have had since we got married 15 years ago, it snapped and it just opened. I'm so sad. And it's also a ring that was given to me from my father, and it means the world to me because my father passed away earlier this year in March. So anything, you know, that I'm sad that it broke. So my husband's gonna see if they can fix it, and I hope they can fix it. So keep your fingers crossed for my ring to get fixed. Sorry, I know that was a little off track and way out in left field, but okay, let's get back to this. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is so beautiful. Oh my God. I know I keep saying God and I'm sorry, but oh my God. Oh my Lord, it's a bracelet. I have not ever gotten a bracelet in my MintMongoose, ever. And I want to tell you, I'm trying to get it on my fat little hand. Look at that. Oh, OMG. There, is that better? Wow. Can you believe that? That is so beautiful. It's a little big, or is it an anklet? It wouldn't fit on my fat ankles anyway. It wouldn't, even if it's an anklet. If it is an anklet, I'm sorry, Helena, but that is beautiful. Yeah, if it's an anklet, there's no way in God's green earth that it's going to ever fit on my fat ankles. But at this moment, I'm going to call it a bracelet because that is beautiful, beautiful. I love that. OMG. Wow. She just always shocks me. Okay, next package. Let's see what else she can shock me with here. Wow, that just made the whole box this month so 100 times worth it. Wow. Thank you. Wow. She just wows me all the time. All right, let's see what else we got here. I think these are earrings. I want to say they're earrings. Yes, they are very beautiful earrings. I can already see through the little bubble wrap that they are very beautiful. Come on now. All right, now let's see if I can do these the right way for you. I always try to show them so that you can see them, but there they are. They do match my bracelet. I think, yeah, they do match. Yes, they do. That's beautiful. Those are gorgeous. Very, very, very nice. I love those. Okay, I'm gonna set them over here on my tissue paper. I'm gonna put them on my tissue paper for the moment. And then we have one more thing here, and I believe this is gonna be a necklace. I mean, it kind of looks like it might be a necklace. Don't fall. Oh goodness, I'm sticking to everything. Okay, here we go. Open, open, open. And if you hadn't noticed, I chose rose gold. I like the rose gold. I don't like any kind of jewelry. It don't matter to me. I'll just take whatever. Oh Oh my goodness. Look at that. It is, it has the two on the side. It has its two on the side, and then it has the biggest stone. Isn't that beautiful? I don't know how she does this, but yeah, it goes like that. I'm hoping that you can see it. The two go on the side. I'm gonna try and put this on. I already have a necklace on, but we're gonna try and put it on anyway, because that's how I roll, so. Let's see here. Come on now. Yeah, I probably should have took this one off. I just cannot. I cannot win today. It's just one of them days for me. I'm gonna try and take this one off. There we go. Got that one off. Now, let's see here. I'm trying to find there we go. Come on, get off of here. All right. So that's, I'm assuming, how it's supposed to sit. I don't know. Is it supposed to like hit right there? Hit your collarbone? Let me try and pull you in. There we go. How's that? That is beautiful. This is a little weird, but I mean, it's cute. I'm thinking that's how it's supposed to hit right there, or maybe it's supposed to go up some, like sit up. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. I don't know what I think of that. That is definitely unique. I probably will get a lot of compliments on that. What do you guys think? I think my hair will be covering it up most of the time. We'll just leave my hair back. Okay, so on to the next thing, and it is a barrette. Let me see if I can. Nope, that's not gonna work either. But it is a barrette. I know what I'll do. Do it this way. Maybe. Nope, that's not gonna work either, but it is a barrette. I don't know how to even open the doggone thing. How do you open this thing? See it? It's kind of a... Why can't I open it? I'm gonna break it, I think. I feel like I'm gonna break it if I open it the wrong way. I don't know how to open this. I can't. It won't open. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe I'll figure it out in another lifetime. But, oh, there it goes. I'm afraid to put it in my hair, but I'm assuming. There we go. I would assume that that's how it goes. Oh, goodness. Now I got it stuck in my hair. But I'm thinking that's how it goes. Like, it just goes in your hair that way. You stupid thing. There. I don't know. That's how it goes, I think. I don't know. And then I have one last... Now I can't get it closed. There we go. Okay. We have one last thing, and this is from L'Oreal Paris. And this is Infallible Eyeshadow. And it's in the color Golden Sage, which sage will work very well for my eyes. I'm not entirely sure how I'm supposed to open it. Oh, look at that. There's the... And there's the color. Wow, that is green. I like that though. Ooh, let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna like that color. They say that the green brings out my eyes, so we're gonna see. There is the green. That's pretty. It's kind of got a foil look on it. All right, well, that's my MintMongoose for the month of November. I like this box bag. I always call it a box, but it comes in a bag and it's beautiful and I love it. So if you would like to get your own MintMongoose for just a mere $12 a month, if you get the regular MintMongoose, then I will leave the link down below. But if you are like me and you just gotta go for it and you want the MintMongoose Black, well, I'll also leave a link down below so you can get to that as well. I don't know why my iPad is doing that. It's being stupid right now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Matter of fact, stop the video and go hit it now, and that way you don't forget. And when you leave, you don't go, oh crap, I forgot. And then give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video real soon. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support. You guys are awesome. You rock. You rock. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out of here. I'll see you in my next video. I just hit the damn tripod. It's okay. We'll be okay. All right.